Hey guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be putting on nails. Now, I have been getting so many DMs and questions about the press-ons that I've been using, and I was actually in the middle of doing a new set and I was like, hold up, Cheyenne, you should probably film this and answer a lot of questions. So we're gonna forgive the 4 random nails that are on my hands right now. The nails that I am gonna put on are actually from the brand Kiss. So I have been working like crazy and I had been getting my nails professionally done, and then I go back and forth. Like I do press-ons for a while and then I'll get my nails done and then I'll go back to press-ons, and just with as busy as my schedule is, press-ons just work so much better because I can be at home doing a face mask, watching TV, and doing my own nails. So this has really just been what's working for me. They're super strong and durable and they last like they'll last at least a week to 2 weeks depending on how crazy I am. Like obviously if I'm gardening or something, not gonna last as well, but they are really sturdy. I can type with them, I can open packages with them. It's really amazing. Before we jump fully into this video though, if you aren't already, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join the party. You're already here anyway, so you might as well. And if you'd like, click that notification bell. It will keep you updated on all of my content and you'll never miss a video. That being said, let's dive in. So I have been using Kiss nails for at least a year or so now. I ordered a bunch so I could kind of show you guys little bits and pieces. So if you guys have been with me through the holiday season, you know that I wore these like all winter. I am such like a true like love my vampy colors in the winter. So these ones are a shorter nail. They're just like a very deep, almost blackened burgundy. They come in all different kinds of lengths, but these ones I reordered just so I could show you guys, like you can do like a shorter length that would be a very natural nail. So you don't have to go like super crazy how these are. They have very natural ones. I tend to grab a lot of nails from the Masterpiece and the Glam Fantasy collection. So the ones that are currently on my nails are from a Masterpiece collection. They came in a pack that also had like matte pink and like iridescent pink ones. I'll insert a clip really quickly of what they did look like. So as you guys saw, super duper cute. I kept these ones on. I just redid my toes today. I did them white, so I wanted to do more like a purple vibe to go with them. But I kept these ones on. I just popped the other ones off because these are like literally not going anywhere, which they're super strong. But anyway, so I'm going to show you some of my favorite ones. So this is from the Glam Fantasy. I hope it shows how pretty they are. So a lot of them are really cool. Like they'll come with some matte nails, some iridescent nails, some glitter nails. They do like stiletto. You guys have seen, if you've been with my channel for a minute, you've seen me wear these a couple times. I always buy backups. I love these because they're matte neon pink with like these really cool gemmed nails. I love these ones also from Glam Fantasy. So they have like the chrome and some glitter. And then the Masterpiece collection is a newer collection. They have like the rhinestones. They look so legit. Like at work, I had so many customers taking pictures of my nails. Like, oh my God, I want to get my nails done like that. I'm like, girl, you can get these done. Do you want to know how much those nails were? $11.99. Like so affordable. So if you're somebody who really wants to get your nails done and lives a crazy busy life like me, or can't afford it, or you know, you maybe only need nails for an event and then you want to pop them off, these are such a great brand to go with. These are the ones that I think I'm going to put on today. So it goes from like a periwinkle blue to a light lavender. There's some rhinestone ones, some iridescent ones. I was debating between that one or this one. This is from Glam Fantasy. I think I'm just going to do these separately though, and stick with more of these ones and keep the rhinestone ones for later. So let's pop these bad boys open and I'm going to show you everything. So the pack comes with, obviously the nails are on display. It comes with the glue. I always use the glue that comes with it. This stuff is so bomb. And then if you lift up your little pack, you're gonna also have a mini emery board and oh my God, the words I cannot, oh my God, what is it called? What are you called? The little like cuticle pusher thing. Oh my God. The words, they escape me sometimes. But you get all of that. And then you get all your additional nails underneath as well. So what I like to do is just kind of lay them out in front of me and like put them on top of my nails so I can kind of see whatchamacallit, like how they're gonna fit properly. So if you look, like this one will fit my nail perfectly. You wanna make sure that it covers your nail effectively, but that it doesn't dig into your cuticle. If it's digging into your cuticle, it is too big and it can damage your cuticle. That's not what you're looking for with these nails. And a bigger nail is not gonna make it look more natural either. So what I'll do is I'll start laying them out in front of me. So I'll start with my thumbnails and then I'll go outwards. So I just feel like that makes it easier to put on. And one thing that's nice too is you won't be able to see it on camera, but on the inside of each nail is a number. So for example, my thumbs are normally number 1. So if I find it for one nail, I just find it for the other one, and normally that works. So what is this one? See, you just got to dig through and find which ones you need. You know what? I bet you the one right here is one. Let's see. Okay, so I found the other one. So I wanted to show you, for example, what a 0 would look like that would be too big for the nail. So see how it goes over the natural cuticle area? Some people might try to like curve it and press it in to like make it look more natural. Please don't do that. It can totally damage your nails. Random fact about me, but I did actually go to school and I am a licensed manicurist. I went to state board and everything. I don't practice it because during school, I was breaking out in such severe hives all over my body, like so severe. I was using steroid cream to try to control them. We didn't know what the allergy was. We thought it might have been dairy. It could have been hot Cheetos. Like we weren't sure what it was. It was from overexposure to the acrylic. So that's why I don't practice with it, but I do still have my license. So I get discounts at like Cosmoprof and different places like that. But so I know a little bit about nails. That's where I was going with that random story that probably no one cares about. But so now I am just going to keep lining up the rest of my nails. So let's see here. Sometimes it can take a minute, but you really want to take your time and make sure that you find the perfect fit. Otherwise, you're gonna be irritated with yourself if you don't, because your nails are gonna be poking. If you find the perfect fit, honestly, they're so comfortable and you cannot tell that they're not like done from the salon. So I have all my nails laid out in front of me at this point. So the first thing that I do is I open up the little emery board pack. I grabbed a fresh one, because I obviously was in another pack putting these ones on, so I can show you guys. So this, I normally use to like push back the cuticle and everything. I already gave myself a manicure. If you guys want a video on how I do like in-house like manicures and pedicures, let me know. I can totally show you step by step how I do them at home. But I just take the emery board and I like to just run it across my nail. You don't want your nail to have any oils or like shine, because that will make it not stick as well. So really making sure that you're just filing it. I mean, nothing too crazy. And then if you haven't already, you want to make sure that you clip your nail down so that it's easier to apply as well. So yeah, just giving them a little file. And I do that for, of course, all the nails. You don't have to do it like, again, too crazy or anything. It's not, you don't want to file away like too much of your natural nail. It's really just to buff it and create that textured surface so that it will adhere better. Perfect. So now it's for the super duper easy part. So the cap just breaks open really easy. And then we're going to start applying it. So I like to start with my thumbs. That's just, I don't know, kind of how I've always done it. So I apply glue all on the inside. So that whole space on the inside. And I will grab my other nail, well, my other nail, my other hand. And then let me get up so I can show you guys a little bit better. And then just push it down. Just like that. And then once it's pushed down, I like to take my other finger and kind of rock it across the top so that the glue can kind of just really adhere nicely. And if there's like any little bubbles in there, it'll take it out. And then sometimes I'll put just a tad bit too much glue, so I just take like this portion and I'll push that out of the way. But yeah, just one nail completely done. And I like to do, like if I do one thumbnail over here, I do it on the other side. Like, I don't know, you don't have to do that. I just feel like it works better. So again, just putting the glue, I hope you guys can see it, in the section where your real nail will be. And then just finding where your cuticle will be and it meets up properly, press it down, and just rock your finger back and forth. I feel like the rocking the finger back and forth motion is really important to keep it longer. These do normally come with like these little like sticker tabs too. I've never tried them, but I feel like if you were just doing it for a night and didn't want to use glue, that would be a good option as well. But yeah, now we got the thumbs down. So from there, I will do the next nail, which is my middle finger. And that one I am using the number 4 nail. And just repeating the same thing. It's literally like, it's almost too easy. So again, just pressing. Once you press it in, rock it back and forth. We're gonna repeat this for every single nail, so I will speed through this. And as easy as that, nails are on and they're done. One thing you can always do is, like, you know how some of these nails are matte? You can always put a glossy coat on top if you'd like. I've done that plenty of times if I'm not feeling matte vibes for some reason. But the Kiss nails are just made so well. Like, check that out. Like, these rhinestone ones came with these iridescent AB crystals, by the way. Wonder if I can get the camera to like focus. I'm like, come on. Come on, focus. Oh my God. It's too sparkly. It doesn't want to focus. Okay, well, I tried. But like they came just like that. Like it came like, of course, with this like really cool iridescent now. I just feel like they look legit. They look super legit, especially in person. Like they fit so well into the nail bed. Like, look at that. It's so hard to show the thumb, but anyways, if you guys have any other questions, definitely let me know. I just thought I would make a quick little video to kind of just show you guys how I do it because, like I said, I've been getting an overwhelming amount of DMs and questions about it, and I just figured it would be the perfect timing to kind of show you guys everything. Anyways, if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!